In today's video, I'm going to teach you Salesforce certification exam, how to register and book your slot. First, head to Trailhead Academy and sign in with your Trailblazer profile. This is important because your certification history and future results are linked to that profile. Once you're in, take a moment to verify your profile details. Make sure your name exactly matches the name on the government ID you'll use on exam day and that your region and time zone are correct. This small check prevents issues later, like mismatches at check-in or confusion around appointment times. Next, navigate to the exam catalog and choose the certification you're pursuing. Open the exam page to read the description, prerequisites, and the official exam guide. The guide outlines the topics, weightings, and the passing score, which helps you confirm you're selecting the right exam and gives you a sense of how to focus your study time. While you're there, check the available languages and the delivery options supported for that exam. When you're ready to schedule, choose between an online proctored exam or an on-site proctored exam. Online proctored is convenient if you have a quiet private space, a reliable internet connection, and a computer with a webcam and microphone. Plan ahead to close background apps and disable notifications. On-site proctored is a great choice if you prefer a distraction-free testing center and don't want to worry about your home setup. If you choose on-site, bring a valid ID and plan to arrive early to allow time for check-in. Now pick a date and time that works for you and double check that the time zone displayed matches your local time. Scheduling can fill up quickly around weekends or month end, so look a bit ahead if you need a specific slot. Once you select your time, add it to your calendar right away and set a reminder. For online exams, consider choosing a time when your household and internet traffic are minimal. For test centers, check travel time and parking so you're not rushed. To finalize your booking, enter your payment details or apply a certification voucher code. Review the summary page carefully before you confirm exam name, delivery method, date, time, and location or online instructions. Make sure you read the reschedule and cancellation policy so you know the deadlines. After confirming, look for a confirmation email with your appointment details. Keep that message handy, as it often includes check-in instructions and what you need on exam day. If you're testing online, run any required system checks in advance. If you're going on site, prepare your ID and arrive early. That's it. Your Salesforce certification exam is officially scheduled. Good luck with your preparation, and I'll see you in the next one.